In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace. Clean, comfortable spacing can make your text easier to read and your pages feel more polished. In Squarespace, these adjustments are made in your site's style settings so the change is consistent across your pages. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to tweak, and I'll share a few quick tips to help you dial in a look that feels just right. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. Look to the top right of the screen and open Site Styles. This is your design control center where global adjustments for typography, quotas, and spacing live. It's a great place to preview changes in real time before you commit to them. Inside Site Styles, find the Fonts section and expand it by clicking the small arrow next to it. Fonts might sound like it's only about typefaces, but it also contains key controls that influence how your text sits on the page. Expanding this section reveals more detailed options so you can fine-tune the feel of your paragraphs without bouncing around different menus. Within the Fonts panel, head to the Miscellaneous area. This is where Squarespace groups some of the more nuanced typography settings that affect overall readability. If you ever feel like your paragraphs look a bit cramped or too airy, this is the spot that helps you refine that balance. Now, locate the letter spacing control and adjust the slider. As you move it left or right, keep an eye on the live preview of your paragraphs. Small increments usually make the biggest difference in a subtle, professional way. Increasing the value opens up the space between characters, which can make dense paragraphs feel lighter and more legible. Decreasing it tightens the text, which can look sleek for headings but may feel heavy if pushed too far in body copy. Aim for a setting that improves readability at your typical paragraph size and line length. A few tips as you fine-tune. Check multiple pages with different types of content so you can see how the change behaves in real use. Glance at desktop and mobile views to ensure your spacing feels balanced on both. If you overshoot, simply slide back toward your original value. The preview is your friend. Use it to compare before and after quickly. That's it. By opening Site Styles, expanding fonts, stepping into Miscellaneous, and nudging the letter spacing slider, you can create cleaner, more readable paragraphs across your site. Take a moment to review a few pages, make small refinements, and enjoy the instant upgrade to your typography.